JC coming at you with another video. So, as you guys know, car has thrown the check engine light when I installed the Catless Downpipe last week. So I went on this website here and we're going to test it out and we're going to see if it's going to work. It should. Here she is. So this should work. We're going to install it on the first O2 sensor area, bung, down below, and furthest away from the engine, and that should make everything work in harmony. So I'm gonna let you guys know. We're gonna throw it on the lift real quick after work, throw it on, clear the codes, and last time, by the time I got home, it was already popped on, so it'll be a good indication if it's gonna work or not. All right, stay tuned. Let's see what happens. All right, back in the lab. You gotta do it. Does it look like we could reach it, or we gotta go from the bottom?
Well, I'm gonna try to see if I can take it from the top.
Yeah.
I think I can.
Alright, so we're deciding to go through the bottom. Top, there's really not that much room. It's interesting, the exhaust, you know, I was talking to a few people. There's 0 resonators on this car. Nothing, as you can see. No resonators at all. We're just gonna go up there and get that one. Way easier. Alright, let's see what happens. And my boy Eddie, Massive Tech right here. Get up in there. You getting up in there.
Am I going the right piece?
Yeah. Yeah, you're going the right way.
Right.
Yeah, you're right. Yep.
I got it.
Dale. Watch out for that heat. Bong. Alright. So now, with this car, what is it? Oh, what is that? Why
So that's
is
probably like a lock nut. That
Oh,
probably you have to screw this in and then tighten this down to the thing.
Alright, well, we're gonna see.
Well, I hope this, let me see if this threads in. Okay, so that
It
threads
does.
in. Okay, so let me see.
This is a...
I like that. Gonna go.
Alright. There, yep. It's an awkward angle.
Yeah.
Should we maybe install the whole thing first? You know what I'm saying? Like put,
Thing on it?
yeah, put it on there and then put it on
Let me,
instead of trying to thread it.
well, let me see if I can.
Yeah, it's tight. All right, so what we did is we put the O2 sensor right into it, and now we're gonna try and install it this way. That's where the cat is at, and we'll let you know. All right, looks like it's all done, maybe.
A video real quick?
Yeah, man, it's fucking in there. Hard to see, but yeah, you see. A little light on here. There you go. The light, baby. Yeah, perfect. Perfect. We'll tighten it up, clear the light, see what happens. That's it, baby. Quick work. 15 minutes. To save you money on your car insurance. Dale! Beautiful. Alright, all done. Snapped in. Get it all down there. Can't really see it from this angle, but let's see if I can zoom in. There it is. So now everything's routed back up. Picture's clipped in. Excuse me. There we go. Nice. So clip, clip. Nice. We'll clear the check engine light. We'll see if it pops by the time I get home. Again, minicatalizador.com. 45 degrees. Bang, bang. Done. We'll see what happens. Alright, so as you can see, put in diagnostic mode. It's all turned off, it's activated. You gotta hit that start stop button 3 times in a row for it to work. Got the equipment on here. Alright. That's it, baby. We're gonna make it happen.
If you need a free programming, let me know. I got you.
Free programming? Alright, cool. Windows 95?
205, dale. 305,
Yeah.
dale.
Mr. $3. And it.
Everything should pop up on there.
Crazy. Wow. Everything just pops in. It's wireless. Right to the main system, baby. Go straight to the source. And you just clear everything from here, right?
Yeah, it's got to go full scan of the car.
Yep.
Yeah.
It's probably gonna be like, what are those M3 seats in there?
Huh?
It's gonna be like, what are those M3
I know,
seats?
right?
That's gonna probably pop up.
For real. Now, it probably will throw faults for it. You're going to see it in a second.
Here we go. Take your time up. Yo, I was catalytic converter too low.
The option.
I don't know why that's on there.
Front passenger heating seat electronics.
And
Component missing.
that shit works nice though. That shit works. The heater works good. Field vision impaired.
Power window regulator, passenger side switch.
That shit works.
Oil lever sensor pulsability.
It's all bullshit.
Imagine.
So I guess it's just. Can we just do the?
We're gonna clear them, right?
Well, I don't know about like. Can we just clear like the catalytic converter one, or do we got to clear it all?
Let me see. I think we have to clear them all.
All right, so let's see what happens. My guy said, you know, with the coating he did for the seats, he said if for whatever reason I do an update and it throws it off, he goes, I'll reprogram it for you.
I don't know what system that would be in though. That's my only problem. These. This is what takes the longest. Like it's still loading. It's
That's
reading
crazy.
everything. My
5
bad,
years
bro.
later.
And see. I'm trying to see if maybe I can just delete that one, but I'm not. I don't know what it's.
Wheel sensors, standard one.
This is the train, the BTG. I think it's the transfer case. This is the transfer case. Yep.
Yeah.
That's the box. DME.
Emissions warning.
On. Thanos, fuel. Okay, this is which one you wanted, right? The oxygen sensor?
Yeah.
Status. This is, it's after the cat, right?
Yes.
Before cat. Oxygen sensor
Well,
after
the
catalytic converter status. Off. The state is on, so the emission light is on it.
So 105. What is that? 105 emissions. 101. Maybe I think we should just clear everything.
Okay.
Right? I don't know. I think that's probably the best, just in case.
That's what I think we should do.
Yeah, I think we just clear everything, clean slate, and then see what happens. Because imagine we do one thing, but there's something else we didn't realize.
See the code? There's a permanent code, and I think that's for the cat.
Yeah. So right now what you did is you cleared everything completely, right?
Yeah, I cleared. Yep. Cleared all these. Whatever had faults in these.
Yeah, those
these,
little. Yeah.
These modules, I cleared.
All right, let's see. All right, everything's cleared up. Now we're gonna see. We're gonna see what the hell's going on. Check engine light's still on. We're gonna see what. Hopefully it goes off. All right, let's see what happens. Yep. All right. Here's the good news, everybody. So just got home from driving the car from work. It's about a 20-mile drive or so. Last time, the video you guys saw, if you haven't checked it, check it out. The check engine light ended up popping before I got home. This time, not so much. So this mini catalytic converter, it's the real deal so far. So again, let's see what it's like tomorrow. Let's give it about a week or two. Let's see how it reacts. But I'm gonna flip you around now that I'm gonna be able to, you know, my check engine light's cleared out and I got that mini cat on there. I'll be able to actually, you know, remote start my car again, like no problem, because with the check engine light on, it's a protection for the vehicle where remote start is deactivated. I'm gonna flip you around. I'm pretty sure my car is gonna remote start, but it's been annoying not being able to do it. Let me flip you around and let's see together. Voila. Here it is. So that's idle. I got home about an hour ago. It'll settle down in a second. You know, what's crazy is I almost contemplated taking the downpipe off. I really did. It's definitely loud. I'll do a little bit more in depth. I'm actually gonna wait to tell you guys. Tune into the next video. Just know that let me turn this bad boy off. gonna wait to tell you guys exactly. I love that. Light speaking through. I'm gonna wait to tell you guys exactly my thoughts on the downpipe and what you guys can expect. And I will put the website in my description for the mini cat in the next video. So stay tuned. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. And again, like, subscribe, hit that bell notification so you know when Auto Fanatic comes out with the next videos. And I got some surprises up my sleeve coming. So make sure you guys subscribe. All right, guys, have a good night. Guys and girls, have a good night. I'll see you soon. Yeah.